If you want to party like boys, you gotta wake up with the men. How big is your Bang, bang, Guapo gang, back with another video, man. Yeah! In today's video, 200 subscribers special. Let's go. We hit 200 subs. Let's go. This is just the start. So I put up a Instagram post saying, ask me what you want and I'll answer it in the video. I looked at the first 5 when the first 5 people asked. And then after that, I got way more questions than expected. So I'm gonna go through some of the questions. I have my Instagram up on my computer and I'm gonna go through some of the questions and answer them for you all. First question, height and weight. So I weigh 150 pounds. My height, to the doctor, I'm 5'7.25". In my Air Forces, I'm 5'8". And to all the dimes out there, I'm 5'9". Easiest way to get a gorilla chest like you. That's funny, man. Work out a lot. I do a lot of push-ups, bro. I do a lot of push-ups and a lot of weighted push-ups and a lot of weighted dips. I love weighted calisthenics. Half squat versus full squat. This is a very controversial question. Lately, I haven't been squatting as much. I've been having lower back problems, so I haven't been squatting as much. I believe I've done in the past ass to the grass full squat, and I've also done half squat reps. It really depends on, to be honest, both are good. You're gonna gain muscle doing both of them. Do whichever one you feel most comfortable doing. I know that ass to the grass is gonna be harder on your joints. And basically, in case you guys don't know, ass to the grass is just a full squat. So literally like your ass is going to the grass. And yeah, they're both gonna be very beneficial. I know that some people argue that the half squat, it's more time under tension. But again, you're gonna see results doing both of them. So do whichever one that you feel best with. What do you regret most? I regret making this YouTube channel the most. What is your spirit animal? Ooh. Dang, my spirit animal. Alright. My spirit animal. I have 3. A gorilla. The Diaz brothers. I'm counting them as one because they're a package. They're beasts. They're awesome.
Nate Diaz, you just shook up the world. How's that feel? Hey, I'm not surprised, motherfuckers.
And Jordan Belfort. 100% Jordan Belfort. Let's go. I love that guy, bro.
I'm not leaving. I'm not fucking leaving! The show goes on! This is my home! They're gonna need a fucking wrecking ball to take me out of here! They're gonna need to send in the National Guard or fucking SWAT team, cause I ain't going nowhere!
He's my spirit animal. I got this saying from him, if you want to party like boys, you gotta wake up with the men. I think about that every day. Whoa. How big is your Hold on. So, this is my clock. That's how big my clock is. Next question. How to get bigger arms? Okay, so everyone's body is different. I'll tell you guys how I built my arms. Because I used to have very small arms. And in some of my previous videos, if you watch them, you guys know that my back and my chest are my genetic strong points. How I built up my arms, 100% honest, high rep, 10 to 20 reps. For my first about year of training, I was training pure strength and I was just training 5 and below reps. Then when I started doing higher reps, between 10 and 20 reps, I was really chasing the pump. When I started chasing the pump, my arms grew. They just blew up. So my current arm routine, it's all weighted calisthenics. This is how I started out. I started out with just pure calisthenics, pull-ups, push-ups, dips. Then once I could do over 18 to 20 reps, that's when I started adding weight. So try that out and let me know if it works for you. Man, this man tried me. Why are you the smallest kid in your friend group? Damn, I must have some pretty big freaking friends, man. My friends must be giant. No, I'm playing. That's funny though, that's funny. In high school though, I will say, I was the smallest kid in my friend group in high school. My friend group in high school, all my friends were like 6'4" and above. It was nuts. I have a friend playing in the semi-professional rugby. I have friends playing at huge D1 schools like University of Florida for football, and they're O linemen. So like, and tight ends. So like, just in high school, I actually was the smallest kid in my friend group. Penis supplement vid coming soon. Probably not. Can you admit that you have chest implants? Hashtag community chest. I cannot admit that I have chest implants. How does one become built different like Guapo Joe? Thank you, I appreciate that. Just work hard and eat right. When did you start fitness? So good question. When I got in like 7th grade, I started doing push-ups and pull-ups. And I wasn't working out my legs, I wasn't going to the gym. I just started doing push-ups and pull-ups, and very, very inconsistently. Literally, like, I would start and like I would do push-ups and pull-ups for like 2 weeks and then hop off because I wasn't seeing results. I was very impatient. Then I first started working out like for real freshman year of high school, and that was also pretty inconsistent, but I was working out consistently from August till about end of November, beginning of December. So I worked out for a solid 4 or 5 months freshman year. And then I started doing calisthenics for a little bit my sophomore year. For the first couple of months of my sophomore year, I was doing calisthenics, then I stopped again. And then junior year, I started working out in the gym from August till around Christmas break. And then after that, I worked out the summer going into my senior year, and then I stopped again Christmas break. And then now I've been working out consistently since the summer going to my freshman year of college. That's when I started working out consistently, and I haven't taken time off since then. So yeah, so I'm a sophomore right now in college. So about a year and a half I've been working out consistently. What is your ethnicity? I am 50% Italian, 50% Cuban, 100% savage. I get the best of both worlds. Do you fuck? It's spelled F-U-A-K. Of course, man. All right, and last question. I can't go through all the questions because this video would be way too long. I got way more questions than I expected. Last question. What is your major? I'm majoring in mechanical engineering. I'm planning on getting a minor in industrial engineering and a master's in systems engineering. Now, obviously, the master's could change. I'm still only a sophomore in college, so that could change. I have a lot of time to decide that. I have another like 2 years-ish to decide that. But yeah, that's my plan for my major, minor, and master's. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Guys, thank you again. This is just a start. I'm telling you, this is just a start. A lot of big things coming. So thank you again. 200 subs. Let's go, baby. Bang, bang. Guapo gang. We out.
We about to turn it up.